Hi, everybody. My name is Rice Kavinsky, and I'm doing project for week 2 for the course CSE 341. And let me show you a couple of things over here. I have written some contacts in MongoDB. I will show you just a moment. But at this moment, I would like to show you that I have a couple of folders over here, like controllers with the contacts over here. And and the let me close everything. Okay, with the contacts and all the functions inside it. Let me close it, and then I have the data with the database calling Mongo, and then node modules. It's kind of not wide because it's not open in GitHub. And then over here in the root, I have the contacts as well with with the functions and with all the codes that I need, the Swagger index, and then the env. See, it's kind of black because I put it here in the git ignore both node modules because it has too many informations and then it's unnecessary, and the .env because it has some important information, so to get secure. And then over here we have all the JSON, the REST server, the Swagger JS, and let's see it working. Let me share over here now my window that is over here. Okay. Now we are alive. Here in my GitHub, as I said, the .env and the node modules is not appearing, as you can see. If I open everything, you're not going to find it inside my folders. Let me open so you can see it. It's not showing. And this is the GitHub. Let me show you my Mongo, the collections that I've written, how many contacts there are. There are 6 contacts over here. And let's get it alive over here. Let's open it up. Just a moment. Hello world. And let's see if it's working properly. Contacts. And so you can see all the contacts I have. And let's see. Let me just see if it only one is working right now. Okay, just one contact. And then let me show. Yes, Sarah. Now let's enter the API docs. And now here we are. Let's make it work. Let's get all the contacts. Let's try it now. Execute. And it got the code 200. Code 200 means that it's okay, and 500 has an internal error. And over here, it contains all the 6 contacts. Let post a contact. Let's try it now. Execute. And it gets any. Over here, we have any. Let me open over here so we can see it working. Let me get contacts. Let's see if we find one contact that has, oh, here it is. Any. And also over here, if we open over here again, let me close and open again the collections, and then it's opening the contacts. We're going to see that there are 7. And the last one is the one that we have just created with the post. Let me get just one. Let's choose one person. Let's get Miguel over here. Let's see if we're gonna get Miguel. And okay, here is the ID. Try it now. The ID. Let me show you. Everything is okay. Code 200. That means it's okay. Let's put some contact. Let's change Miguel to um any. And let's execute. And if it gets 204 over here, everything has no content. Let's check if The Miguel is appearing. Let me get over here, and there you go. Soraya, Larissa, Janet, Annie, Suzette, Annie. This trio too. Let me write over here instead of Annie. Let me write Miguel. And over here, let's write the color brown, and let's see if it changes. And then we should get over here as well the contacts. And then here we are, Miguel, and the color brown, and everything is working fine, properly. Now I don't want this N over here. I don't like it. Let me delete it. And let's see if it's working properly. It should be there. Let's check it over here. Uh-huh. See, we are ending with the Suzette. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right now, just as we started. And let me get over here in the contacts in the MongoDB. Should be 6. There you go. And that's project week 2. Bye.